Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Deborah. Today I'm going to be doing a viewer suggestion, or a viewer question actually. This came from Mary Jager, and what she would like me to do is to show her how I use these, which are Tim Holtz baseboards, and it's called Junk Drawer. So baseboards are thick, and he does a number of things in baseboards, and Mary apparently has some and she didn't know how to use them. But for now, I've made, or I am going to make, I've done one, some mini envelopes with my little mini envelope punch board, which is this thing here. And I just wanted to decorate some of the inside of the book or the envelope first before I did anything else. So I'll put some of this book paper in here just to decorate the inside. You won't see much of it, but it will give some decoration to that inside when this is shut. And now I'll stick it together. The card I'm using is a cardstock, so it is quite heavy, this one. And I think that's probably the best, to have it like that. Then on the inside, I'm going to put a little piece to write on, so I'm just working out how big that needs to be, and lucky this has got lines on it, so I'll follow the line to cut it. This is just a bit of offcut that I happen to have. So when you take this out, you'll see the little embellishment inside. It was worth doing that, I thought. I didn't just want to leave it blank. And then on the outside, I'll probably use some of this typewriter paper, just maybe across here, and just by putting some glue on here, I will then stick that on, and then I'll be able to tear it off. I really like that other side too. I'm going to keep that bit and go for a different piece now. Not really measuring, I'm just ripping these off and hoping that they work. I don't think I need to take this piece off here. You can still get everything in and out of it. It's fine. I've just grabbed out my journal that I want to put this in, and I've found a page where I can put it. For example, up here. Now I'll pick something that's going to match it. I'm just checking to see if this actually fits, because I want to be able to put my paper clip on to hold it all on. And if I put that there and I've got the envelope on the other side, I think that will work fine. Now, I should have probably taken that out to put that glue on, because you don't want to be putting glue onto your page accidentally. So there you go. I've now got a little thing with the paper fasteners. I've got somewhere to journal in this little envelope, and it's pretty on both sides. This one is a much bigger envelope, you can see that. So I'm just going to basically do the same thing. I think that's fine to do that and make it a bit similar. Doesn't really matter what journal you're putting it in. I'll start with this bottom piece this time. Oh, maybe that's not going to fit very well there. Let's try another piece of paper. I think maybe this one would be better. Actually tear this off and then go with this piece here. Flatten it out. It's not sitting. It doesn't want to behave actually, this piece. I found a bit of packaging in my box of stuff that I've got there, and I'm just hoping that I can put this across it, which it does fit. So I'll mark it up and then we'll put it down. Want the picture in there. Grab a pencil. I'm going to keep the top as well, because I can use the top elsewhere to create a top for some journaling or something. Put it down a tiny bit more actually. I may have to put this, actually cut it down a little bit more. Yeah, it's too big. That fits perfectly. So now what I'm going to do, I've got a journaling space on the back. I've got all the little people in here. I'm going to put something up here so you can't see the branding or the information about the item. Might go with the blue really, because it's going in this red and blue journal, so I probably need to find something that's going to match a bit more than that. Actually, in keeping with the rest, I might just go with some of this. Okay, so I'm just tear this off, see where it needs to be torn. So that's another idea, to use up your packaging. And then on the back, I will put something on here as well, because this is going to be showing in the actual book. This is a bit of leftover typewriter paper that I used the other day, so I thought I could use it, but I just don't want to cover it. I'd rather try and tear it, have it somewhere within the, got it like that. I think that looks much better. That tore pretty easily. I will have to either tear or trim the bottom. I think I'll trim it. I'm not embellishing the back, you know, making it super duper, because it's all about the piece of junk drawer for this exercise. I don't want to detract from the fact that I'm using, you know, the beautiful junk drawer embellishments. I want to say drunk drawer. Junk drawer with a J. Oh, it's all sticking. Ow, ow, get off. Then I'll put this down here, and I want it over a bit now. Oh, that glue's quick grabbing. Back to using my helmets again. I stocked up at the shop the other day because I was running out. Had only a little bit left, and I didn't buy the aliens this time. They had helmets in stock, so I got that. Yes, I'm keeping it really neutral, and then the feature will be this. So now I have to find something that's going to go on here. Let's have another look through these and see what's going to match. What about the crayons? They're nice, aren't they? Maybe I can use the elephant this time. I think I'm going to use that elephant. It'll look really nice in this journal. Let's find a place to put it. Let's check what's on the other side. And I'm just going to put some glue around the bottom here. Yeah, I like that. That's very cool. It's a cute little elephant too. And then I'll take another one of my little mini clips. I might put him on the other side. He's getting a bit lost on that paper. Ah, that's better. And I'll put a little mini clip up here. Yep, so now I've got an envelope and I can take it out, and I've got a cute little elephant. I want to do one up the other way now, because I really would like to use something like maybe this or this. So I'd like to do it in, you know, a portrait mode, not landscape. Now this one is going to go up this way. So I'm just making sure that when I put a bit of paper in here, it's up the right way. So because this is going up this way, I'm able to put something up this way as the thing. I don't know whether I want to put it all the way up to there or not. I could cut the tip off. Maybe I'll do that. Okay, so I'll just measure and cut the tip off. Remember that it needs to look good on the other side as well when you open it. And then I'm going to stick this piece on here. Now I have found that this, which should be perfect for in here, I just need to cut it down though. Oh, it's not. It's going to go in. It'll just fit. Yeah, it'll fit. It's just the baseboard was getting in the way a little bit, so I was having trouble getting that in. There you go. It's in there. So that is another little one. This time I need to put it on so that it comes across. I don't want it on that page though. Put it on here maybe. Yep, so it comes across like that. Just slipping a little paper clip on there as well to hold that on. Take that off and then it'll come off, and you've got the paper inside. You've got some journaling, which I've done in the tones of the blue because the journal's sort of red and blue. And I could even put it down here actually on this pocket. So there you go. I've got another little envelope. In fact, I cut 2 more pieces. So I might just push ahead and make a couple more of them, and then they can go into my stash. I hope you enjoyed looking at that today, and that gives you some ideas on how to make envelope toppers for your junk journals, and also on how to use these baseboard products from Tim Holtz. They don't have to be junk drawers. He does a number of things that are quite thick like that, so any of that would work in this situation. So this is Deborah. Thanks for watching. Cheers.